I'm sure you've heard the news. Equanimity is the buzzword for GRE success. But what exactly is it? Let's dive in. Equanimity means staying calm and composed even under pressure. Imagine you're tackling a tough GRE question. Instead of panicking, you stay cool and think clearly. That's equanimity in action. First example. You're stuck on a tricky math problem. Instead of freaking out, you take a deep breath, break it down, and solve it step by step. Equanimity helps you focus. Second example, during the verbal section, you encounter a confusing passage. Keeping your cool, you analyze the text and find the right answer. Equanimity sharpens your comprehension. Third example, in the essay part, time's running out. Instead of rushing, you stay calm and organize your thoughts. Equanimity ensures clear, concise writing. Equanimity isn't just a fancy word, it's a skill that can boost your GRE score. So next time you're studying, remember, stay calm, stay composed, and let equanimity be your guide. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more GRE tips.